Good morning, students. 8th standard science unit 20, reaching the age of adolescence. So the topic is reaching the age of adolescence. Then today we discuss about the role of hormones in the reproductions. So there are different type of hormones that involve control the reproductive system. Control the reproductive system. So the primary hormone. So the primary sex hormone to regulate the reproductive system. Primary sex hormone to regulate the reproductive system. And also such as, all of them are steroid hormone. Steroid hormone means it is a non-protein. Steroid hormone means they have in a the non-protein. So the first one is called in a androgen, estrogen, progesterone. So the three important hormones to regulate the male and the female reproductive organ. So they have in a the androgen. So they used for the masculinization. So they have in a masculinization. So they control the male character. To control the male character. So the estrogen. So used for the feminine character or feminism. So the progesterones are used for gestational effect. So there are three important hormones. Androgen is used for to control the male behavior and also the development of the primary sex organ in the male. It means the development of the testes. Estrogen is used for the secondary sexual character as well as the primary sexual character of the female. Is the development of the ovary. So the progesterone hormone is that control the two important process. One is called a pregnancy period. Is otherwise called the gestation period. This is also they control the gestational effect and also to control the menstrual cycle. To control the menstrual cycle. So this hormone is controlled by the pituitary gland. So they have the pituitary gland they contain the two lobes. So the anterior lobe is called adenohypophysis. So the anterior lobe, the adenohypophysis. So in male and female reproductive behavior, and the development of the reproductive organ is mainly by LH hormone. So the LH hormone is called a luteinizing hormone. Then FSH hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. So the both hormones are produced from the anterior part of the pituitary gland. So the LH hormones, they used for the secretion or initiation of the androgen in male. So with the presence of the LH hormone in the male reproductive system, so the development of they produce an androgen is a male sex hormone. And also they produce the sperm production very effectively. So this process is called spermatogenesis. So the development of the sperm from the testes. So this process is called spermatogenesis. In the main sperm production starting the sexual puberty So they occur throughout the life until the death. So the sperm productions are occurred with the presence of androgen hormone. With the presence of androgen hormones. So the next one is called the follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. It is called FSH. In the female, influence the development of the Graafian follicle. In the female, so the development of the Graafian follicle around the egg cell. Here the egg cell is surrounded by a finger-like projection. It is called a follicular cell. So they contain the small fluid. Now it is called a Graafian follicles. So the ovas are surrounded by finger-like projection. Is called a Graafian follicle. So the Graafian follicles are produced in the presence of follicle stimulating hormone. And the secretion of the estrogen. But the male, the necessity for development of the seminiferal tubules. The testis, inner part of the testis, they consist of numerous tube-like structure. It is called the seminiferal tubules. With the presence of FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, so the well-developed seminiferal tubules, they are involved in the sperm production. So next hormone is called luteinizing hormone, LH hormone. So next hormone is called LH hormone. So otherwise called luteinizing hormone. In the female, so the hormone necessary for the ovulation. It means, so the ova is surrounded by finger-like projection called the Graafian follicle. The 14th day of the menstrual cycle, so the ovas are released from the Graafian follicle. So this process is called an ovulation. So the ovas are released from the Graafian follicle. The process is called the ovulation. It's occurred with the presence of LH hormone. And also the secretion of the progesterone hormone. And they have a maturation of the Graafian follicles. But in the male, so they have in between the seminiferal tissue, they have a special type of cell is called Leydig cells. So the Leydig cell is act as an endocrine gland. So they produce in a male sex hormone is called testosterone. So the male sex hormone is called testosterone. The sex testosterone, it is referred as the intestinal cell stimulating hormone. ICSH, intestinal cell stimulating hormone. They stimulate the Leydig cell. They produce in a testosterone. So next hormone is called prolactin. Next hormone is called prolactin. Or lactogenic hormone. Lactogenic hormones. Lactogenic means the milk secretion. So the main functions of the hormone is the milk secretion during the lactation. After the childbirth, so the mammalian gland, they secrete the milk for the young one. Here they have in a prolactins are used for the formation of milk secretion during the lactation period. So it is called a lactogenic hormone. So it is called a lactogenic hormone. So next one is called oxytocin. Next hormone is called oxytocin hormones. So these oxytocin hormones are used for the formation of the breast or milk secretions occur in the breast. And also they involved in the contraction and expansion of the uterus during the childbirth. So during the childbirth, so the embryos are present inside the uterus. So due to the contraction and expansion of the uterus, So the embryo is moving from the posterior part of the uterus to the outside of the female reproductive system. This is controlled by oxytocin hormone. It's also called birth hormone. It's also called birth hormone. So these are the hormones that plays the vital role in the reproductive system. So in the male, so they have an androgen. So the female, the two important hormones, one is called an estrogen and they have a progesterone. So these three hormones are controlled by the adenohypophysis of the pituitary gland. So FSH hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. So another one is called a luteinizing hormone. Later part, after the childbirth, so they produce prolactin and oxytocin hormones are useful for the reproductive system.